Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, you might be surprised that why your teacher has recited an English rhyme in the science class. So the answer is, in our previous session, we have discussed about heavenly bodies. We have discussed about the sun and the moon. We have learnt that the sun is a big hot ball of fire and it rises in the east and sets in the west. We have also learnt that the moon is a bright silver ball and we have discussed the different shapes of the moon. Now dear students, as I have recited the rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, so today we are going to learn about the stars, heavenly bodies that have their own light, and we are also going to learn about astronauts. So before we start, let's discuss the difficult words with their meanings. So our first word is ASTRONAUT, astronaut, a person who travels into space. Number 2 is SPACE, spaceship, a vehicle used for space travel. And number 3 is SPACE, spacesuit, a set of clothes worn by astronauts. Now dear kids, open page number 76 of your Enjoying Science book and let's start reading. There are many stars in the sky. We see them at night. They are really very big. They look so small, means tiny, because they are very far away. Students, on a clear night, we can see a number of stars in the sky. They twinkle all the night. Stars are very big, hot, and as bright as the sun. They look very small and dim because they are far away from the earth. Now you can see beautiful stars twinkling in the sky. Now come to page number 77 and let's start reading. A trip to the moon. It is written, would you like to go to the moon? Students, do you want to go to the moon? Maybe many of you want to go to the moon. Now let's discuss how can we go to the moon. You can go to the moon in a spaceship. Do you know what is a spaceship? It is a vehicle used for space travel. You would have to wear a spacesuit, means a set of clothes worn by astronauts. You would be called an astronaut. Astronaut means a person who travels into space. Now have a look. It is a spaceship which is used to travel into space. Here you can see spacesuits, means set of clothes worn by astronauts. And now you can see astronauts. Here are two astronauts. In orange color spacesuit, you can see Miss Kalpana Chawla. She was the first woman of Indian origin to go to the space. In white color spacesuit, you can see Miss Sunita Williams. She held the record for the most spacewalks by a woman. Now read next. The first man to go to the moon was Neil Armstrong. He had to carry many things with him: food, water, clothes, and even air to breathe. This was because you get nothing at all on the moon. So, we have to carry food, air, and water with us if we want to go to the moon. Now here you can see Mr. Neil Armstrong, the first person to go to the moon. Children, we see moon in the night sky. Now tell me what else we can see in the night sky. Let's discuss something more. Now we are going to discuss the things we can see in the night sky, and the things are the moon, the stars, rockets, owls, fireflies, bats and many other things. Have a look at night sky. Here you can see the moon, stars, rocket, fireflies, owls, etc. Now after night sky, let's discuss something more about day sky. Now we are going to discuss the things which we can see in a day sky, and the things are the sun, birds, rainbow, kites, helicopter, aeroplane, etc. Now have a look at the day sky. Here you can see the sun, clouds, birds, aeroplanes, helicopter, kites, and sometimes we can see a rainbow in the day sky after rain. Now students, as we have discussed the things which we can see in the day sky and night sky, now let's discuss some question answers related to our topic. So my first question is, when can we see the stars? And the answer is, we can see the stars at night. My next question is, why do stars look small? And the answer is, stars look small because they are far away from us. Now let's move to the next question. Name the first man to go to the moon. And the answer is Mr. Neil Armstrong. Now next is, can we go to the moon? And the answer is yes, we can go to the moon. Now dear students, in this chapter we have discussed about the sun, the moon, the stars, and we have discussed about astronauts. Now revise chapter 19. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.